Good day.
Alright, come on, people, let's go. I'll start following you. Want to give a band?
Oh, really? Staff only?
You need a band, miss.
So how do I go about getting a band?
Excuse me?
How do I go about getting it?
Oh, you want to go inside?
Yeah.
You go straight and make a first left turn. And from there, the rest is history.
Okay, sorry.
No problem.
Thank you.
Are on the job working.
Alright, so the wrong entrance, we continue to the other.
Always called Nathan Development and those are on in
And we'll come back to those because they look very interesting. Woo. Back to those because they look very interesting. Woo. Cherries here and more. We're familiar with cherries. Most women are. What's going on here?
So we're going along.
Really nice.
Thank you so much for coming.
Hi, good day. How are you?
Do enjoy your polish.
Can you tell me a bit what's going
So
on?
back inside.
Why you're here today?
The competition is going on stage. We're here. People making our way into the stand.
Okay.
Talking to anybody right now. Hello, ma'am. How are you? You can't be shy. So you're here to support somebody? Oh, so.
And it's a natural.
First time coming? You liking it so far?
After a while.
Visit the booth?
They make your
I don't want to lose your seat.
So this is a natural.
Alright, thank you so much. Going up,
Okay.
going up. Let's see.
Tell me a bit more.
Hello, ma'am.
What other brands do you offer? What type of
Support
things do you
anybody on
offer?
stage?
Well, right now,
So it's
the
the
only
first time
product
here?
that I'm offering is the
You
love
liking it?
fiber mask.
You come back next year?
Like other services I do.
Are you visiting any of the booth?
Just regular day-to-day
Okay,
makeup,
okay.
party makeup.
Going up.
So
Going up.
any type of occasion I do.
Hello, fascinating conversation.
What would you recommend for someone who's in the dance hall scene? What is in?
Okay, well, what's in is
So we're all the way
I think
back here.
regulars are wearing now. It's a pop-up,
all the way
like,
back
it's
here.
like a pop-up
Oh,
spark.
I'm from James, so I'll be phone.
Okay.
And basically,
Where can we find you?
Alright, well, you can find me. My Instagram name is
I'm just giving them an overview of what we're
or you can
offering.
find me on Facebook.
Indeed. So what is she saying to you, man?
Can I see a bit more of your product?
listening?
Sure, no problem.
And you're giving illustrations today?
Yes, I'm good.
Are they free?
Hello, how are you?
Okay.
Are you okay?
Alright.
Having a good time?
Thank you so much.
So, are you here to support any of the contestants on stage?
I love what I'm seeing here.
Thank you.
Can you just give me an idea what's happening?
Well, I'm doing a refill on acrylic nails using clear acrylic, and then I'm going to do a gel polish.
Okay. How long have you started?
Well, 15 minutes? Well,
15 minutes.
Yeah.
Ah.
So I've already filed, and I'm prepping for the polish now.
Okay.
Yeah. That's a whole lot.
Can you elaborate on why you're here today?
I'm here to get my nail polish and refill, and I'm loving the service.
Okay. Are you a part of staff or you're just
I'm here to work today.
You are. Okay.
I'm taking
The opportunity to get your nails done. All right.
and I'm loving the service.
Okay. Can you tell me where you're from? Yeah. If someone wants their nails done, where can we find you?
Edna Manley.
Edna Manley. Ah. Is there a service charge for this? At Edna Manley?
Please come
Yes,
to the
there is.
stage immediately.
Yes, there is.
What's the price range for something like this?
It's very reasonable. For this length, I'll usually charge like $1,200, and then for a taller nail, it's $1,500. And then depending on the design, whether it's 2D or 3D, then the price varies.
Oh, I understand. What is in for color, especially in the dance hall? What would you give a young lady?
Dance hall.
Yes, what would you give a young lady
Dance hall.
going to an event? What should she wear to be in?
To be in,
Yeah.
dance hall is different from the regular going out. Well, different. But for dance hall is more vibrant colors because they want to be bold most of the time. So it's bold colors, your reds, your blues, and all that good stuff. For more subtle feel, it's more pastel colors. So your soft pinks, your soft blues, your purples, your peaches, stuff like that.
Okay.
They wanted me here.
Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye. Enjoy your nails. Thank you. Take care. Health Authority, Jamaica. All right, let's zoom into this booth and see what they actually offer. All right. Hi, how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm not bad. I'm just inquiring about this booth.
Thank you so much
It
for coming.
says a lot about health. And I'm asking, seeing that this is a cosmetology, hairdresser, and barbering event, how does this apply?
Charity here and more.
Basically doing today is we're giving out application forms
National Association of Hairdressers and Cosmetologists.
as well as apply for their health permit for the very first time. This is basically what this is just a sample of what the health
This
permit
time,
would look like. So
I'm going to hand over
giving out the
to the lady in charge.
This information sheet will basically tell
Thank you so much for having me.
when you're coming to the health department.
Coming to the stage
So that's what we're doing.
as a new master of ceremonies in this segment.
Apply for them and also show you what your license would look
Pretty
like.
soon.
You would basically start the process for your license.
Is none other than
So how often do you do this?
This is done. This is renewed on a
Miss
yearly basis.
Khadid
Every year
Hilton, Miss